In this episode, we're going to cover what Lenovo has been telling its partners, some Intel and AMD platforms. We're even going to be talking about ASUS's EVO range, the grizzly bear of CPUs. Lenovo has been telling its partners that there will be a price increase in March due to the memory issues currently in the market. Now, these memory issues are nothing new, but their supply has obviously dried up. It would seem that both Intel and AMD are actually doing something together. And no, it's not working together, rather releasing their new CPUs in the new year. Coming 2027, we will be seeing the new Lava Lake from Intel, and we will be seeing from AMD's end the new AM6 processor hitting the market. It would seem that ASUS has found a way to solve a problem which some people might be having in terms of space in their case and people wanting to use their PCIe lanes as they would. Now, a graphics card generally takes quite a few slots. You're looking at about 3 to 4 slots. Now, ASUS has launched the RTX 5070 EVO, which will only be taking 2.5 slots of your chassis. So Grizzly Bear and Company, Thermal Grizzly has launched its own Ryzen 7 9800 X3D delidded version for you to purchase. Now, these will come with their own warranty, so should something happen, they will be picking up the new processor for you. One thing to mention is that these will be costing double the price of buying one yourself and trying to delid it. Is it worth the risk? Maybe. Paying double the cost for something delidded? I don't know. I don't think I could part with that. Let me know in the comments down below how you feel about paying double the price for CPU with less things on it than when you buy it. And we are getting some insight into the new Zen 6 architecture thanks to a user named HXL. This user has provided the following information. The single chipset options on the new AM6 platform are going to be 6 cores, 8 cores, 10 cores, and 12 cores. And on the dual chipsets, we'll be seeing 8 plus 8, which will give us 16, 10 plus 10, which would give us 20, and then 12 plus 12 cores, which is going to give us the 24 core options. Now, furthermore, previous leaks have mentioned that AMD has been upgrading the CCD on these processors. So not only are these processors, by the looks of it, going to have a new architecture, but they will be coming with about 50% more cores than what the Zen 1 to Zen 5 series gave us, which would offer 12 cores and 6 Zen cores, paired with 48 L3 cache, which would make a dual CCD processor, which has 24 cores, have 96 megabytes of L3 cache. And that is even before any variants of XPD chips are even made. This is, however, still a rumor, and we need to see how this all plays out over the next year. And that's my time. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.